In a kingdom of Zoonaria was a very special dog named Danny. Danny was not just any dog. He was a math magician who loved numbers more than anything else. His math skills were legendary in the kingdom, and he was always ready to help his friends with their number problems. On a bright and sunny day, Danny was taking a stroll through the lush gardens of Zoonaria when he heard a soft voice calling out.
"Oh, how will I ever get this right?"
Following the sound, Danny found Ricky the rabbit, a gentle soul with a love for gardening, surrounded by a colorful array of vegetables. Vibrant orange carrots, crisp green celery, and plump purple cabbages.
"Hello, Ricky,"
Danny greeted with a friendly bark, his tail wagging in excitement.
"It looks like you have a bountiful harvest here. How can I assist you today?"
Ricky looked up, his eyes filled with relief at seeing Danny.
"Oh, Danny, I am trying to sort these vegetables into equal groups for the upcoming feast, but I just can't seem to get the numbers right. Could you please help me?"
Danny wagged his tail, eager to help.
"Of course, Ricky. Let's make this fun by counting in different ways. How about we start with the vibrant orange carrots and count them by sixes?"
Ricky scratched his head, a bit unsure but willing to give it a try. Together, they started grouping the carrots, 6, 12, 18, until all the carrots were sorted into neat groups. Ricky clapped his paws, his face lighting up with a bright smile.
"Wow, Danny, that was fun. And look at these vibrant orange carrots. They look like little orange rockets ready to launch."
Next, they moved on to the crisp green celery sticks. Danny suggested,
"Let's count the celery by sevens this time."
Ricky nodded, and they began. 7, 14, 21. Soon, all the green celery sticks were arranged in perfect groups of 7. Ricky chuckled.
"They look like little green soldiers standing in a row."
Finally, it was time to sort the plump purple cabbages.
"For the cabbages, we will count by eights,"
Danny declared. Together, they counted 8, 16, 24, until all the purple cabbages were sorted into equal groups. Ricky couldn't help but joke.
"They're like big purple bowling balls, aren't they?"
Ricky looked at the neatly arranged vegetables, his heart swelling with joy and accomplishment.
"Danny, thank you so much. You turned a difficult task into a fun learning experience. Now I know how to count by sixes, sevens, and eights."
Danny wagged his tail happily, pleased to see Ricky so happy.
"Remember, Ricky, math can be fun and exciting when we explore it through different perspectives. You did a great job today."
Ricky hugged Danny, his eyes sparkling with gratitude.
"Thank you, Danny. You are the best math magician in all of Zoonaria."
As the sun set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Danny and Ricky sat down, admiring their day's work. They shared stories and laughed, their hearts full of joy and the satisfaction of a job well done. In the heart of Zoonaria, amidst the garden of vibrant vegetables, Danny and Ricky shared a moment of joy, friendship, and the wonderful magic of numbers. As the day came to a close, they said their goodbyes, promising to meet again soon. And so, with his mission accomplished, Danny trotted off into the setting sun, his tail wagging in contentment. He was off to his next adventure, ready to lend a helping paw to any friend in need. Remember, kids, math is everywhere, and it can be fun too. Just ask Danny the dog and Ricky the rabbit. They know that with a little help and a lot of teamwork, any task, no matter how big or small, can be accomplished.